Got a super interesting unboxing today. We're going to be looking at a smartphone magnetic neck mount. Look at this thing. You can see you basically wear it and then you can have your smartphone on there. Now, at first when I saw this, it looks kind of ridiculous, but it might actually have a lot of utility if you're a content creator. So let's go ahead and start this unboxing. There's everything that you get with it. I'll just put this down and take a look at all the pieces. So it has a little strap. Put that aside. Here's the neck mount. Oh, this is interesting. It's kind of got this like rubbery feel. So it kind of wraps around and then, yep, it clips in like that. Now, here is the magnetic part for the smartphone holder. This can adjust so that you can get the right angle. You know what? I was gonna make fun of this, but like if I was gonna like tour my garden, this would actually work perfectly because I can just kind of walk around, narrate, and then I can even see the shot. Huh, interesting. So never knock a product before you really try it out. So it looks like there's a little O-ring here. And then it's got some wipes as well, and then the strap. So I'm gonna try to put this together. Maybe I'll actually read this manual here, super small manual. Put this together and then we'll get some footage and then of my garden, and I'll show you how this kind of works. But basically it shows everything. I hope I don't have to attach anything onto the back of my smartphone, but we'll go ahead and try this out and see how it works. And most importantly, look at some of the footage. Again, you're looking at the Amorus smartphone magnetic neck mount. I thought this was kind of ridiculous at first. Why would someone want to wear this? But if you're a content creator, damn, this might actually be a good thing. Let's see what kind of footage it actually produces. But it looks pretty user-friendly from the looks of it. Okay. Just an aside, I was reading the manual a little bit because I was wondering, how does it connect to a smartphone? Well, it's using the iPhone 12 MagSafe area on the phone. And so this is really designed for iPhones that have MagSafe and not just your standard Android phone or anything else that doesn't have it. So that's an important piece of this. So this is really geared towards iPhone users who have that MagSafe ring built in on the iPhone that's going to allow you to mount this onto your neck. Now, if you don't have an iPhone, what you can do is attach this metal ring, which is a magnetic connection, onto your smartphone. It's got tape on the back. You want to make sure that is secure, and then it'll attach directly onto here to give you that nice secure fit. However, just as an extra precaution, if that for some reason, say this adhesive comes off and your phone's about to fall off, what you can do is use this backup lanyard as an extra protection. So you kind of put your phone onto here so it doesn't drop, and then maybe you can attach it to the neck mount itself. That'll protect your phone from dropping if it does in fact dislodge from there. Another important note. Now's the time to put the Amorus magnetic smartphone neck mount to use. Here's how it looks outside. I just kind of have to show you that it's super portable, it's adjustable, you can carry it with you if you are a creator. I wanted to see if I could open and close it with just one hand because I had my camera in the other hand. Unfortunately, I think you're gonna need to have this over your neck if you want to be able to open and close it easily. But I just wanted to show you the demonstration. Here it is, the first time that I'm actually trying it on, and I want to see just how easy it is and the kind of footage that I'm going to get by using it. So the way to do it is I got the magnet on the smartphone case, not on the smartphone itself, but on that clear case. So I'm able to adjust it from there. I'm just trying to adjust it so that I can see what I'm looking at while I'm filming at the same time, just in case I need to make any adjustments. But I was hoping to make it in a way where I didn't have to look at the camera the entire time. So you can kind of go about your day, but you're capturing it. And here's how it looks. This is once I got that adjustment, and I wanted to just, give you a tour of my raised garden beds. I've already transplanted some plants from my greenhouse. And if I was to just walk around and see if I could get smooth enough footage that you could actually use this in a video, it's kind of like if you were just holding in your hand and walking, except in this case, I'm completely hands-free. So I can kind of walk and talk. Another application I can see this being used is if you're like doing a cooking show or doing something with your hands and you wanted that view that you're looking at on a table. That's another application that I can see with this device. So if you are a content creator, if you're someone that needs to get a shot, that kind of first person view, even if you're like at a concert, this is something you might want to check out. I was gonna think it was kind of a ridiculous product at first, but once I started using it, I do see a lot of utility, especially for content creators who want a hands-free way of capturing smartphone content, without actually having to hold the smartphone at the same time. Anyways, folks, I hope you enjoyed this review. The link is in the description below. My name is Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you again next time.